What up, hooligans? Clearly the letterbox is back and I put in it welcome to 2019, but the 2019 is like flipped. I don't really know why. I kind of thought it would look cool, but now I kind of just feel illiterate. Or maybe you feel illiterate looking at it, but anyway, someone is gonna end up feeling illiterate in this situation. Anyway, happy 2019 New Year. Same me, because I'm doing another Thrift with Me / Thrift haul.
It brings a day.
What up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. Hello, Mom. I am back at the Thrifty. I should just speak normally. It's Jennifer. Did I say my freaking name? Yo, my brain is fried. My hair is up because I haven't showered in an embarrassing amount of days. So there we go. I just started looking at some clothes. Yo, I look bald. It's not a good look. Looking like a good old Humpty Dumpty. Oh, I really want to show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this like green puffer jacket with green pants, and I'm straight up looking like an avocado. Kind of digging it. Okay, so I found this Old Navy fleece shirt that's like zip up at the top. People kind of love to hate on Old Navy because it's Old Navy, but I like the colors, and Old Navy stuff is not that bad, so I'm gonna take it and try it on. I talk way too much, sorry. Also, it looks like I have a new mole, but it's just a scab from a pimple that I was scratching. You guys really did not need to know that. Oh my gosh, so I just spotted this TNA sweatshirt for like $16, and it's so funny because 2 years ago I would have straight up committed a crime to buy that sweater for $16, but now I could not care less. Y'all, there's so many Southside Serpent shirts here. Clearly, there was someone who stanned Riverdale really hard in the first season, then they watched the second and third season and they were like, okay, never mind. Here's my bro. He does not care. Yo, I just found the jackpot of friggin' red sweatshirts. I am confusion. There's gonna be a lot of screeching in this video of look at this. Wild cats everywhere. Wave your hands up in. Break, there's someone coming. I'm in the men's sweater section right now. Currently, I am enjoying men's fashion more than women's fashion, just because like I love baggy stuff. Sis. I'm now in the change room. Obviously, I have my giant stack of clothes, and this is just round one, guys. I'm going back for more. My wallet says no, but my heart says yes. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm really regretting my choice to wear avocado pants today because everything I wear just doesn't match these, and I just look like an actual Christmas card. I can't tell if I like this or not because I really like the sleeves and the material's really nice, but I just kind of look like the mom from Mean Girls. Okay, so I actually think this is really cute, but the sleeves are so short. I cannot tell if I like this one. It's very warm and stuff, but I feel like I'd crop it. I can hear all the comments talking about how I literally want to crop everything, but it's true. It just looks better if it's cropped, okay? Alright guys, so I'm back home. Obviously. I actually did that portion. What the freak am I trying to say? So I actually went thrifting in those last clips a while ago, maybe like a month ago, maybe even in November, so it's been a while, and I'm gonna haul all the things that I got. Okay, let's start out with kind of like a boring one. Wow, I set that up really well for myself. So, oh shoot, this is broken and I did not even see. Well, subscribe. Okay, so I got this light blue sweater. It's from H&M, I think. I mean, I don't really know what to say. It's like a chunky sweater. This is kind of that type of sweater that's like heavy, but not too soft. Yo, I'm like really bad at describing clothes. Yeah, friggin' like I don't have anything else to say. So next I got another sweater. This one is a tan nude color with stripes across the chest, and I actually really like this sweater. I don't have anything that is in this color. It's kind of a more fitted sweater, which I like because it's like a neutral color that I can wear with any type of bottoms, and it's just very comfy and soft. I'm pretty sure I got this in the men's section. I really love the men's section, specifically the sweater section, because I feel like men's sweaters just fit better on me and look better on me than women's do. Alright, I also got this Old Navy fleece, like freaking, like, what is it, like fleece pullover shirt. Wow, I'm a fashionista. I really like the colors of this one. I feel like everyone loves to hate on Old Navy for being like the worst, but honestly, like, I kind of like them, and I really like this logo situation. It's very like Tommy Hilfiger vibes, and make fun of me all you want, but Old Navy pulls through. Sometimes they have like really cool clothes. I don't know why I'm so defensive of Old Navy. I think I found this in the what the frig, am I dying? I think I found this in the little boy section because this is a large. Yeah, it is. It's for kids 10 to 12. Lol. But yeah, I don't really like the length of it though. I might crop it in a future thrift flip. Overall, very warm, very cute. Moral of the story is stop hating on Old Navy. Next up, I got another pullover sweatshirt, and this one is a pink one, which I was so hesitant about because I usually don't wear pink, and this is a little bit small on me, so I'm feeling some type of way, and it's called regret. I don't foresee myself wearing this a lot, to be honest, and thank God I didn't pay like a ton of money for this because it's the thrift store and you only have to pay like $5 for it. But on the flip side, I can't return it because like you can't return stuff at the thrift store. I'm not really like a girly girl. Well, I mean, right now I kind of look like a girly girl, but I don't really know where I'm going with this. I think the pink is just like a lot for me, and I don't know if I'm ready for that kind of stuff. What the frick am I talking about? Okay, next I got this sweatshirt, and it's just a plain heather gray sweatshirt. And this actually, I was reading the tag just now, and it says US Naval. So I think this is an authentic sweatshirt from the US Army, which is kind of cool, I guess. I actually really like the length of this. I mean, it is oversized, but it doesn't go like way the heck down your legs. And you guys know I love my shirts cropped because I am a short person. Like, okay, let me explain why I love crop things so much. Every time I say I want to crop a shirt, everyone's like, why do you want to crop it? I'm like, okay, I'm a really short person, and I feel like cropping stuff makes me look taller if I wear it with like high-waisted jeans or something like that. Alright, so the last thing that I got was this jacket, and this may be the coolest thing that I have in my closet. This is like super outside of my comfort zone, and like I don't really know when I'll be able to wear this. Maybe just for like an Instagram picture, but I saw this checkered pattern and I was like, I really like this. That was not English. So I got it. It is a little bit tight if I wear like a long sleeve inside, but this might be cool for like fall or spring. Yeah, I really like the pattern, although the shape of it, I don't really like that there's no neck. I don't know, I might have to flip this as well, but I just really think this is cool, and there's like no brand on it. Oh, someone cut off the tag. It looks kind of fancy and like something that I would wear if I were in New York. We all know that I am not in New York anymore, but like we're not gonna talk about that anymore. I'm hungry. I'm definitely hungry. And I really think the edges are really cool because they're frayed. Same with the pockets, and I love that there are actually pockets, because it is literally the worst when you have pants or a jacket that doesn't have pockets, especially pants with like fake pockets. It just makes no sense because nobody wants pockets to look at pockets. People want pockets because it's practical. Like, sis, what? Okay, anyway, I'm just getting way too passionate about pockets over here, but we have like a frayed tassel-y situation going on, which I think is really cool. There's just a lot of cool textures going on. Yeah, but those are the things that I thrifted. Okay, but those are things... Okay, so those are all the things that I thrifted this time. Hope you guys enjoyed what I hauled, and stay tuned for a thrift flip. But yeah, happy 2019. Leave me some suggestions of videos that you want Leave me some suggestions of videos that you want me to do in the new year, and yeah, I'll be going through all of the comments. I always read every single one of you guys' comments because I love talking to you guys and just like interacting with you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Shout out of the week is right here, and I will see you guys